stay on the top here, Quincy Railroad and everything, but we gotta get right to the business. We gotta cut right to the cheese. We gotta cut right through that cheese block, okay?
Alright.
So.
Wait. Are you cutting the cheese or am I cutting the cheese?
I'm gonna cut the cheese. I'm gonna cut the cheese.
Alright, well, you're gonna cut the cheese and stand over here.
We gotta get that payroll shipment of Fort Boone and Triple Box and the rest of the soldiers before anything crazy happens.
Right. Wait. Sheriff. About that before anything crazy happens, what are you talking about there? We're gonna get shot at? We're gonna get robbed? We're gonna get attacked by Indians?
Well, if we're lucky, that'll all happen before lunch. Good luck with that. Whoa! You get your little honey back here. How do you ever expect to make anything of yourself in life if you just keep on running away from everything? Now, this is what you're going to do. You're going to get that gold box off my train car right there. You're going to bring it out here, keep your eye on it, make sure nobody gets it. No bandits, no bad guys, no guys sneaking up behind you or nothing, okay?
Right.
I'm going to the Pony Express office and take care of some paperwork, okay?
But Sheriff.
What? No buts. No buts. Go.
What?
It's a dangerous spot to hang out.
I get it. Thank you for that. Yeah. Listen, stop being so smart. Come on over here. See what's going on?
Yeah, they're unloading the train up there.
No, not that.
Oh, sorry.
Listen,
It's a double header.
the sheriff
right.
left the deputy all by himself. So,
That's what you're talking
you know
about.
what that means, right?
Uh,
You know what that means, right?
we can break out of jail.
We aren't even in jail.
Can I phone a friend? I mean, like, John telegraph a friend?
There you go. That's very appropriate. I know you can't telegraph a friend. You know you don't have any friends. Now listen. The deputy is guarding a large box full of gold.
Large box.
And the sheriff isn't around to protect the deputy. That means this opportunity.
Tell you what, we got a better plan. How about we steal the gold from the deputy that's all by himself on the sheriff's yard?
The first
Brilliant.
Boom!
Yeah.
All by myself.
Let's go
That's
with
right.
your plan.
Yeah, he does.
Now listen.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the saloon, do some rubbing in there or whatnot. By the time I come out, you need to have that gold up.
Okay.
Can you do it?
All right. I'll get you one. I can get it.
Fair enough.
All right. Deputy! Not much. How's it going? Oh, you know, just, beat you at tic-tac-toe. Ha! Woo!
I was X's, Murdoch.
Aw. Look! Now come back! Look what you've done! Now look, why are you so good anyway out here? What's wrong with you?
I'll tell you, old Sheriff Matthews at the Pony Express office. He said we're going to get shot at, we're going to get robbed, we're going to get attacked by Indians. It's all before lunch. Did you get it?
Yes! All right. Well, all right, I'll tell you what.
Next one.
Look. Okay, so first off,
Yeah.
you have done one thing.
What's that?
You scared all these people.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Look at them. They're so scared right now, they don't even know what to do.
Look at that guy right there. He's terrified.
Yeah. You didn't know. Look at these over here. They got the guns pointed at us. I tell you what, you need to go up there and you need to reassure them that everything's going to be A-okay.
All right. I can do that.
All right. Hey! Hay's for horses. What?
What's the go box?
Oh, of course. Absolutely.
Thanks, Murdoch.
Let's go! I got to go! Raleigh, I'm sure everything's still going okay out here. Whoa. Murdoch!
Yes?
Where do you think you're going with my gold?
Home?
You're going home with my gold? You got a problem? That is my gold. You're not taking that home.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah?
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 No way. Is there anything you can do to stop me? Because I also have a gun.
Well, I'm gonna be the one to shoot first.
Ow!
What? In fact, no, you might want to. You're always
Not that much, maybe you need a button of the gun.
Yep, that's perfect. Just like that.
Hey, Debbie! Guess what? You just won a prize! Ha!
Wow, that's a sturdy outhouse. Oh,
Oh, we gotta get out of here! There, Silver!
oh, whoa, I didn't see you down there.
Hey!
Now, really, bring the word out, just bring him over here right now. There's dynamite in there. Nixon, get out of here. Now, fellas, while I was in that Pony Express office just a few minutes ago, I got a telegram from Fort Smith. Seems that the fort's under attack, and there's only one soldier left.
Attack on what? Steve on there.
Indians!
Murder! What?
He said Indians! Yes, I said Indians. I didn't do
You're
it.
supposed to say the I word around in here.
What, Indians?
Yes.
Indians.
Hey!
I can't be more Vulcan as gun, so you're probably good now.
I'm good. I'm solid. They're not even here
Just
yet.
as a
though,
general
okay?
rule.
Hey, sure.
Don't get short with us.
Tell us how it is. Sorry, what was that? Anyway, this is what I'm going to use YouTube for. Use y'all for human shields, okay? Because
I'm not too good of a shield. It just goes right through me sometimes.
well, neither am I. I'm a very small target. So I'm going to need a little extra help, okay?
Listen, why would we help you, Sharon? It doesn't sound like anything that we would do.
The odds are very small that we're going to make it out of this alive. So I want to increase the odds. Y'all helping us out, okay? So get on the train right now.
We can do it! We'll be there! We can fire there! I got a gun, I know how to use it!
Goodness gracious. Folks on the train, if these two are up to no good, don't be afraid to shoot them now, okay? We're going up into Indian territory, so you got a gun on your hip, get a load it, you're probably going to need it. Okay, Jones, let's roll whenever you are ready.
Colorado, get over here and roll. No, wait.
What are you doing, Riley?
Wait till it's over. Wait till it's over.
Get out of here!
Okay, and then Colorado.
You gotta hit harder. You're too weak.
Use a rock.
There you go. That'll put you back into it.
Yes, sir.
Well, doggone boys, any longer I've been dead meat. What took you so long?
Well, you want to know about the holdup? I talked to these two right here.
I should have known you two be up to no good.
Well, Deputy.
Yeah,
Well,
on the train.
we know that.
I really appreciate you back there. Yeah. Stepped up in a time of need and really helped me out, especially with that little cannon bit right there. Much obliged to you.
No, well, thanks, Sheriff, but you don't know Fred Curtis. Say that again. He'll feel that tomorrow. Yep.
I think you're feeling just fine around here.
Get 'em out here. Well, thank you, Sheriff, but what are we going to do with those two?
We probably just lock them up here.
Whoa, let's not be too hasty now. Normally I'd let you do that. But see, those renegade Indians that came through, they busted up all my jail cells. They set all my prisoners loose. I might have to go catch them, so I'm just going to have to take them back to town with you. Yes?
Well, I'd say we could probably find something for him to do back in town.
Yeah.
What do you say, Raleigh?
Well, there's an awful lot of toilets in the Equina.
Don't
worry, I'll be okay. I'll hold down the force here.
Oh, Raleigh.
Oh, like Casey, let's get you folks back down,
Don't
please.
shoot me. I didn't do anything.
Might not come out.
What?
Oh, there he is, he goes.
Let's talk about this. Look at me, What's over there?
Holler it again. Say it. Just took out.